Good morning and welcome back.
Today, we got a top story today. A semi truck has been crashed.
The semi truck has been crashed into the down on the hill.
We will see the footage after we come this time.
Harsh event detected.
You see that footage? Make sure to ask your permission if anyone find that footage.
Anyways, the semi truck manager has been sent to the hospital.
Oh well, looks like the semi truck needs to be towed and need to get over to the repair shop.
That's all for today.
We'll be back on Sunday. We'll see you all later.
I got you, Tom.
You know what? You go pay for it.
It's time to take you down, Talking Tom.
Oh no, you won't.
You're gonna go win.
Yes, I will.